Okay, Saturday cleanup. Got the RV leveled, slides out, all the hoses, pressure washer, including the softener, water softener up. I got everything up top. I'm gonna take my chances and go up the ladder here and wash my own RV. All right, check it out. Let's go see what's up. All right, we up here. Oh man, look how dusty it is up here. Glamis sand is punishing. But today, we're just gonna come up here and use this fine product and wash all this Glamis sand off. Let's do this. We've got our premix right here and our nice nylon bristle brush.
I know I should sleep, but the voices in my head go. I know I should sleep, but the voices in my head go. I know I should sleep, but the voices in my head go.
All right, so as you can see, you gotta get up here and clean your roof if you go to Glamis, because you're gonna have roof problems, man. Then you're gonna need Jeff's help. So do yourself a favor, get yourself some chemicals and a pressure washer. Harbor Freight will work. Get the electric; it's a lot better than the gas, right? And then get to town. And then when you're done, I'll do the next vehicle, and the next vehicle, and the next vehicle. That's enough. I'm gonna be tired. Okay. After a quick Modelo break, we're finished with the top. It only took like, I don't know, 45, 50 minutes. And now we're gonna do the front end, sides. We're gonna bring that awning out and clean the bottom of the awning, because we had the awning out almost every day in Glamis. And let me show you what the other side looks like. Yeah, look at that grossness. Yes, I'm gonna get that all cleaned up. So I'll walk around, finish my cerveza. Let's get to work. Handy, got our handy dandy Harbor Freight electric pressure washer. I like the electric because you don't have to worry about gas, motors, running, noise. Got me a nice big Christmas bucket of water ready to go. And I'm trying something new here for the first time. I saw it on Instagram, so I bought a couple bottles of this stuff. It's just apply, and all it comes off, it says, but I don't believe that shit. I'm gonna clean it off anyways, but okay, let's go ahead and start. And let's see how long it takes to clean Big Birthday here. All right, so other side is done, the back side is done, most of the front side is done. I started at 140 and it's about 3 something right now, 340. So this is hard work. Props to Joseph. All right, so there it is.
There's nothing but water.
Got good exercise, but at the same time, I'm freaking exhausted. All right, if you're wondering how I dry it, Amazon sells this telescoping squeegee that's specifically designed for RVs. But I like to take my reliable chamois here and just a nice smooth motions. One of the most important tips and advice I'm going to give you is your chamois. Keep your chamois clean. Once your chamois gets dirty, go ahead and rinse it with hot water and flush it out. Get it nice and clean in a sink, and that way you don't leave streaks.